Managing a project with TaskJuggler and need to open or edit a TJF file? These are project planning files for the powerful command line project management tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these TaskJuggler project files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single TJF file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A TJF file is a project definition file used by TaskJuggler, a powerful open-source project management software. Users create these plain text files to define project scope, resources, tasks, and constraints using TaskJuggler's specific syntax. The primary intent is to compile this file into detailed reports and Gantt charts. The TJF format is a domain-specific language stored in a plain text file. This design choice allows project managers to define complex project logic using a text editor and version control systems like Git. The TaskJuggler engine then parses this file to perform scheduling, resource allocation, and generate comprehensive reports. The core professional tool for handling the TJF format is TaskJuggler from Chris Schlager. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows typically shows only basic metadata, so reading the information requires proper software. To force file access, right-click your TJF file and select Open With. If TaskJuggler is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the TJF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the TJF file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, processing with TaskJuggler. Install TaskJuggler from taskjuggler.org or via package managers like Gem on Ruby-based systems. Run tj3project.tjf in a command prompt to process the project file, generating reports defined in the file. TaskJuggler outputs: HTML, CSV, or other formats based on the report specifications in the TJF. Next, editing in text editors. Open TJF files in any text editor such as Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Vim. Some editors offer TaskJuggler syntax highlighting through community plugins. The plain text format makes TJF files easy to edit version control with Git and collaborate on through standard developer workflows. Finally, visualizing with TaskJuggler GUI. Use TaskJuggler UI, a graphical interface for TaskJuggler that provides Gantt chart visualization and interactive project editing. Install the GUI alongside the core TaskJuggler tool and open TJF files for visual project management. The GUI complements text editing for stakeholders preferring graphical interfaces. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.